Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Sophia, your safe and cozy place to learn real English through real conversations. I'm Sophia, and today we're talking about something exciting, powerful, and truly helpful for your life. How to plan your life for 2026 in simple, clear English. A new year is more than just a date. It's a fresh chance to reset, grow, and design the life you want. And talking about your plans in English is a great way to practice speaking, thinking, and dreaming in English at the same time. So let's plan your 2026 together. Start with a simple question. Ask yourself, what do I want to improve in 2026? It can be anything: your English, your health, your job, your relationships, your money, your daily habits. Don't worry about being perfect. Just think, imagine, feel it. Now repeat after me. In 2026, I want to improve my life. I want to become better. I want to grow. Good. You're already speaking your new future. 1. Planning your personal goals. When we talk about future plans in English, we use I will, I want to, I'm going to. Repeat these examples with me. In 2026, I'm going to take care of myself. I want to eat healthier. I will try new things. Beautiful. You're building your future sentence by sentence. Let's add more. In 2026, I want to wake up earlier. I want to read more books. I want to spend more time with people I love. 2. Planning your work or study goals. Think about your skills, your job, your studies. Repeat. In 2026, I want to learn new skills. I'm going to improve my English. I will look for better opportunities. I want to feel more confident at work. Great job. 3. Planning your English learning goals. Let's be honest. Every learner says, I want to speak English better. But in 2026, we want this to be real. Repeat. In 2026, I will practice English every day. I'm going to listen to podcast conversations. I will speak without fear. I want to sound more natural and confident. You see, your future English starts with the words you say today. 4. Planning your mental and emotional health. We all need peace. We all need balance. Repeat. In 2026, I want to stress less. I will take breaks when I need them. I want to be kinder to myself. Beautiful. 5. Planning your lifestyle. Let's imagine your ideal 2026. Where do you want to travel? What do you want to try? Repeat. In 2026, I want to travel more. I'm going to try new hobbies. I will make my life more fun. Now let's build your 2026 plan together. Say your full 2026 vision after me. In 2026, I want to grow. I want to learn. I want to take care of my mind and body. I want to improve my English. I want to try new things. I want to make my life better. Amazing! This is your new year speaking through you. Your homework. Take 5 minutes. Write 5 simple sentences starting with, in 2026, I want to. In 2026, I will. In 2026, I'm going to. Then read them out loud. Every time you speak your goals, you make them stronger. Thank you for joining me today on Talk Sophia. I hope this episode helps you dream bigger, plan better, and speak more confidently. 2026 is your year. I believe in you. See you in the next episode. And remember, speak every day, grow every day, shine every day. Bye for now.